Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Jaguar. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 4.2-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Jaguar has less than 86,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.